Imagine earning up to 30,000 rupees per month by working just 1 to 2 hours a day from the comfort of your home, all without investing a single penny. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we will delve into the world of print-on-demand business model, an avenue that has helped companies like Buakoof.com, Bang.in, sstore.com, Teespring.com, and many more to build multi-crore empires. So what is this print-on-demand business model, and how does it work? Well, in its simplest form, print-on-demand is a business model where you sell custom designs on various products like t-shirts, mugs, phone covers, and more. You create the design, and a third party will print and ship the product to the customer on your behalf. The beauty of this model is that you only print a product when someone orders it, eliminating the risk of unsold inventory. Now you might be wondering, how do you start a print-on-demand business? The first step is to find a niche or target market. This could be anything from pop culture, motivational quotes, to unique artistic designs. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to create your designs. Remember, your designs don't need to be overly complicated. Sometimes the simplest ones are the most effective. After you've created your designs, the next step is to find a print-on-demand service. There are many out there, and each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Do your research and choose one that fits your needs. Next, you'll need to set up your online store. This could be on your own website or on a platform like Etsy or Amazon. Once your store is set up, it's time to start marketing your products. This could be through social media, email marketing, or even paid advertising. And there you have it. That's a quick rundown of the print-on-demand business model. To summarize, print-on-demand is a business model that allows you to sell custom designs on various products. You create the design, and a third party prints and ships the product to the customer on your behalf. The steps to start a print-on-demand business are finding a niche, creating your designs, finding a print-on-demand service, setting up your online store, and marketing your products. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and most importantly, belief in yourself. But with the right strategy, there's no limit to how much belief in yourself. But with the right strategy, there's no limit to how much you can earn. So why wait? Start your print-on-demand journey today.